we're going to go over two function keys on your HK cash register, the PO and RA key. We'll begin with the PO key, which stands for paid out or payout. The instance where you might use this key is when you have something that's taken to your business and you are instructing your cashier or yourself to pay for a service or goods taken to your business. So let's say a delivery man has just dropped off a parcel or product to you and you need to pay that person. It's a payout, hence the PO key. So we're gonna hit PO, and let's say we owe this person $50 for the goods or services or product that he has brought in, and let's say it's the 50. After you've hit PO, you're gonna go to cash, and you're gonna see this screen. It's gonna deduct $50 from your cash register. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go back to PO, and your cash drawer will open, signaling for you to pay said person out. The RA key on your cash register is for received accounts. An instance where you would use this key is if someone is paying you money or owes you an amount, you use a received account button or key. So I've just gone ahead and hit RA, and it'll take me to my RA screen or received accounts, and said person is paying me $50 now. So I typed in 50, I hit cash, and instead of the negative that the PO would show you, this is adding $50 to your cash drawer or cash register. So at the end of the day, when you do your report, you will see plus 50 on a received account category. Once we've hit cash and your screen is displaying the total, we're gonna go back to the RA button, click it,